Hey, I want to teach you how to make eggs. First, you need a pan, eggs, butter, and spray. Crack the eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're gonna put your eggs in the pan. Okay. Butter, spray, yum. Then crush the eggshells to make sure that the eggs know you mean business. And throw that crap away, because nobody wants that. Good job!
Oh my gosh, that smells so good! Oh my gosh, that smells so good!
Doesn't that just look like a hooker threw up in my pan? I like it. Make sure to set your food close to so that you can eat it. That's all we got for you today. Next time I'll teach you how to make something better. I need a bowl. I need to eat these outside where I can show those birds what'll happen if they keep crapping on my car. Thanks for watching! Stay awesome. Subscribe if you like this. Leave me a like, a comment, or whatever. Let me know what you think. It's so exciting. See you later. Be sure to subscribe!